Let me give you 120 seconds that can genuinely fix your life. Not motivate you, fix you. Pay attention. Even if you don't admit it, your life is not messed up because you're unlucky or because your parents didn't support you. Your life is messed up because you keep breaking promises you make to yourself. You said you'd wake up early. You didn't. You said you'd stop scrolling. You didn't. And the crazy part? You're not even disappointed anymore. You're used to letting yourself down. That's the real problem. I'm going to give you one rule, one habit, one action. And if you actually do it after this video, your life will change. Rule 1. Stop letting your emotions make decisions for you. Your feelings don't care about your future. Your discipline does. Every time you feel lazy, anxious, overthinking, remind yourself, feeling is temporary. Action is forever. Rule 2. Fix one thing today. Not your whole life, just one thing. Clean your room. Go for that 10-minute walk. Start that skill for 20 minutes. You stack one win a day, you become unstoppable. Rule 3. Drop the people who drain you. You know exactly who I'm talking about. If someone makes your life heavier, darker, or more confusing, that person is costing you your future. Cut them off or distance yourself. Your peace is expensive. Protect it. Rule 4. Your phone is destroying your confidence. Put it down for 1 hour today. You'll feel uncomfortable. That's withdrawal. Your brain is literally addicted. Breaking that addiction is the fastest way to rebuild your focus. Rule 5. Just take step 1. You don't need a master plan. You need motion. You can fix your entire life in 120 seconds if you simply decide to start. I've been in the same place, stuck, demotivated, making excuses, waiting for the perfect time. But nothing changed until I stopped negotiating with myself. So here's your moment. It's 120 seconds. It's not long, but it's enough. Enough to choose a new path. Enough to stop the old version of you from winning. Enough to start fixing your life today. Don't save this video. Don't watch later. Do one thing right now, right after this ends. Your entire life can change, but only if you change the next 120 seconds.